What's up, homies? Today's an update on the District0x, aka DNT. And if you're new here, definitely consider smacking that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. Let's head over, see how the market's doing, and we'll jump right into DNT. As we see, Bitcoin is right around just under $57,000. This is definitely good. We had a lot of bears in the space recently saying, oh, we're going to go down lower, getting people all scared. Just hang tight. Things are looking good, ramping up for the month of May. Because yes, we're ending the month here. That's excellent because that's another monthly candle, which are personally my favorite candles. Some nice grain here, 14%, 7%. It's looking pretty good. So far for the top 14 coins. But let's more importantly check out DNT, District0x. We're starting here first on the weekly. I want to show you something here on the weekly, more specifically right here on the MACD. We were, really cooling off for a while here, really cooling off, about to go negative on the MACD on the weekly, which keep in mind, the weekly is more significant than the daily is more significant than the 4 hour, and so on. Look, we were about to have a cross there. It was not looking too hot, but then we started popping back up this week. It's like, wow, it started going back up. It's looking good, not to have a cross, that's exactly what we want. We want this to stay green because that's positive momentum, aka bullish. So that's what we're seeing so far. And that's looking pretty good on the weekly. And just a friendly reminder, look how far DNT has come. We got into this thing back in, it was October, right in here. We literally bought the bottom right there back in October. Last year around March, you could have gotten an excellent price as well. But look, massive spikes to the upside. Nobody cared about it until it popped up like 800%, corrected, popped up, consolidated, popped up again. Now we've been consolidating sideways for a while, but let's take a zoom in to see exactly what is going on. Because DNT, it was a teaser. It really tricked us. It was one of the ones we had a multiple fake outs. It was about to break out. It was looking good, especially right in here. This was like, wow, okay, we broke above. This is looking really good. MACD was looking good. RSI was looking good. And then good old Bitcoin took a dump and said, nope, not happening today, son. And that was just not so cool, which we saw right here. It was wounded up. Same thing right in here. It was wound up, ready to go. So hopefully this time it starts going. RSI, once again, has plenty of room to the upside. We're not oversold. We're not overbought. We're just right there in the middle. What we see currently on the MACD, on the daily, we just had the cross. Look at that. We started to turn green. That's positive momentum, which is AKA, which is bullish. That's exactly what we want to see. And what I like to see right now is, well, first of all, we broke through the trend line right here, which is very good. But more importantly, I want to see us get above this trend line right here, right around 35 cents. I want to see us hold that, break it, hold it, support, close the daily on there. That's what I want to see. We did see that back here and then end up smacking down because of Bitcoin. But I do believe Bitcoin has its smackdown all over with, because we're going to check that up in just a few minutes. But as we see, let's close above there. If we could specifically make the higher high on the body here, that's more like 37 cents. That would be great. But just if this candle in the next 3 hours could get above 35 cents, that would be excellent. Excellent. And of course, once we get above that, there's not too much going on there. Not too much going on, because the wick went all the way up to about 45 cents and didn't really, the body was way down here, 35 cents, finally made that higher body there. But more importantly, if we get past that, things are going to go absolutely insane. Just like we say on this channel, all-time high, after all-time high, after, you know what I'm going to say next, all-time high. So watch out for that. We can even zoom in a little bit, check the 4 hour, see how that's doing. Yeah, positive momentum. We're moving to the upside. Price actions correlating as well. That's very, very bullish. Let's continue that trend. But of course, last time we got a fake out because of good old Bitcoin. Took a massive dump. Let's pull back to the daily on Bitcoin. And what I want to show you right here is on the MACD, we are about to get the cross for bullish momentum. Let's go. Plenty of room to the upside on the daily. This is good because we had this nice, draw down there. That moved the RSI down, moved the MACD was not looking too hot. This is good though. We're resetting ourselves for the month of May. I really do believe this is going to be good. Could it be like another fake out like this? It definitely could be. There's no guarantees. There's only probabilities. But I do expect to keep an eye on that Bitcoin dominance. If we see Bitcoin dominance fall, which currently we're at 48.8%, which just keeps going lower, this is super good for the alts. So definitely keep your eye on that, as well as watching what the MACD does with Bitcoin. So I just want to thank you guys so much for tuning in today. What do you think of DNT? Do you think this time it's finally going to break out, making new all-time highs? Let me know down below. And as always, let me know in the month of April what altcoin you bought, because of course there's major dips. So there's great buying opportunities. As always, let me know down below. I'll catch you guys all in the next one. But before you do that, smack that subscribe button, smack that like button, And just so you guys know, we do have that Crypto Homie First NFT. Check it out on the tweeters. It should be linked down below as well. So until next time, may the gains be with you.